Now let's take a look at an example of assigning IPv6 prefixes in the Internet. In this example, Company 1 is being assigned an example prefix of 2340:1111:AAAA:/48. The process starts with ICANN. ICANN owns the entire IPv6 address space and assigns the rights to registry prefix that's 2340:12 to ARIN, or ARIN. This implies that ARIN has the right to assign any IPv6 addresses, beginning with the first 12 bits of hex 2340. Then, NAISP1 asks ARIN for a prefix assignment. ARIN then might assign ISP prefix 2340:1111::/32 to NA-ISP1, if NA-ISP1 meets some requirements for receiving this prefix. Finally, Company 1 asks NA-ISP1 for the assignment of an IPv6 prefix. NA-ISP1 assigns the site prefix 2340:1111:AAAA:/48 to Company 1.